from experience to innovation, from difficult exploration to industry benchmarking. LifeFilter, the leader in the industry, has followed our dreams and embarked on a professional development path characterized by technological leadership, technological innovation, and the combination of production, education, and research. Situated in Xinxiang City, Henan Province, Xinxiang Lifiat Filter Corporation Limited. Stock name Xinxiang Filter. Stock number 837936. Trademark LifeFilter is specialized in researching, developing, and manufacturing oil filtration equipment, air purification equipment, sewage treatment equipment, seawater desalination equipment, waste resources comprehensive utilization equipment, and other special equipment for environmental protection. LifeFilter strives for development by science and technology as well as innovation, and keeps a tradition of investing 5% of the annual sales revenue in R&D to shape the high-quality brand for environmental protection equipment. Based on the collaboration in R&D with various universities and fluid environmental protection research institutes, LifeFilter has established our own independent R&D lab with 58 technical engineers, totaling 114 authorized patents and 17 technical qualifications. At present, LifeFilter has gradually become a manufacturer of products covering the whole industrial chain in the field of fluid environmental protection with 100,000 degree clean workshops, 30,000 square meters production bases in Xinxiang and Shangqiu City, and 7,600 square meters operation centers downtown. We insist on purifying environment, serving the society, managing with integrity, and pursuing excellence, and are committed to providing systematic solutions for customers and building the data information platform over 70,000 customers. Our products mainly serve in such fields as metallurgy, petrochemical, electric power, paper making, railway, large-scale manufacturing, city life garbage sorting processing. We provide one-stop service for the global customers in a quick response mechanism throughout the whole selling process. LifeFilter continues carrying forward the partnership philosophy of truth, simplicity, nature, health, happiness, success, and focuses on the goals of carbon peak and carbon neutral so as to constantly speed up the pace of scientific and technological innovation, give full play to the spirit of a craftsman, and stand up to the ranks of well-established enterprises with the fastest speed. Stay connected with all industries at large with our ideas all over the world. We strive to improve people's lives with better products and reshape our planet with green grassland, beautiful mountains, clean rivers, and blue sky. All missions on our shoulders. We are all along on the way.